Cybird Remote Access demo. Today I will show you how Cybird makes remote employee access simple for small businesses. There is no public IP required, no port forwarding, and no firewall configuration. Employees can securely access approved office resources from outside the office without complex VPN setup. So let me begin from the scratch. First, the admin enables remote access for the office in the Cybird dashboard. Cybird automatically prepares the office router for secure employee connectivity. And the admin selects the employee profile and sends an invite. And now let me show this on the dashboard. So let's go to network and secure office link. And we have already provided the instructions here. So now let's invite employees, and the office is already set. You can see connected offices, online routers, connection path. So now we can invite the employees. Now let me select an employee. So let me select this employee. And now let's go to Cybird Anywhere Access. And let's send secure access invite to the employee. And then after filling out these details, the employee will receive a setup link. So now let's provide the email details here, and the admin can decide which offices the employee should access. So now let me give access of this office here, and after clicking on send invite, the employee receives a simple setup link with instructions to install the Cybird Remote Access client. So let's send an invite, and it is successfully sent. Once the employee connects, Cybird shows the employee device status in the dashboard, including whether the device is online, waiting for setup, or disconnected. So let me show that. So here we can see it is waiting for the setup. So now let's check out the setup link. So this is the email sent to the employee with the open setup instruction and the URL and the setup key. So let's have a look. So in the instruction has been given how to install the Netbird app, and with the URL and the secure access code. So the employee can install it as per the instruction given here. Let's follow the steps to install the Netbird client. So let's click on this link. And here we have options for different operating systems. I am downloading it on Mac. So let's download. Once you click on this download button, you'll be able to see the Netbird icon in your system tray, and then click on connect and sign it up using your email address. Now let's run the command line to check whether the Netbird client is connected. So we can see the Netbird client is connected. After installing the Netbird client, connectivity can be tested by pinging the office router from the employee's laptop. So I am simulating the condition, accessing the office remotely. I am connected to my home, and now after the installation of Netbird client, I can connect to the office network. So let me ping the office network. So we can see we are able to ping perfectly. The ping is working fine, and we can connect to the office. So the employee successfully pinged the office. So now we can see the status is online. And even the admin can also choose what the employee can access. Access can be given to the full office LAN or limited to selected offices, and approved devices such as a printer, NAS, server, billing system, CCTV, or an internal application. So let's have a look. So let's go to remote access, and here we can see all the connected profiles. So now we can see this is actively connected, and if access is no longer needed, the admin can pause, revoke, or delete the employee access anytime. So here we can pause, and the admin has the control to remove the device if it is not required, and even the admin can decide which offices to share the access with. And once removed, the employee can no longer connect to office resources. Cybird also shows remote access status visually, including employee connection status, office access, and which device is connected.